morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, you guys. I hope you are having a great day. Surprise, surprise. It is 9:30 in the morning. And I must admit, I went to bed early last night and it feels good. Feels good. So this morning, I think I'm just in a good mood because the framer will be here this morning, probably about like 10:30. He's gonna look at my fireplace and he's gonna look at the wall, and fingers crossed that today he can actually cut the wall and get my fireplace in. Once he does that, I then have to have my electrician come out, install all the electrical stuff for the TV, the fireplace. I gotta figure all that stuff out. What else? What I gotta do today again? I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, my window treatments also are supposed to be coming in. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. But anywho, I went to Publix. If you don't shop at Publix, check it out because I was able to get alcohol wipes, which I'm probably gonna go again tomorrow to get some. Part of the reason is I'm kind of pre-planning right now because I know even though the boys, they're going to be homeschooling. I know some of you guys mentioned that they're going to be like strictly homeschooling. What was I going to say? I also know that we're also coming up on like flu season. So I'm like, I thank God I didn't get sick last year. So I'm hoping and praying that I can be as clean as possible again. But they also had Lysol wipes, so I grabbed 2 of these. They were only allowed 2, and literally the minute they put it on the shelf, I had just got into the store, so I was like, oh, thank you. And then I also got the Real Simple. This one here is, it didn't really specify if it was antibacterial or anything, so I don't think it is, so I'm not gonna say that. But I was actually quite surprised to see that it was from the Clorox company, so I was like, okay. But I thought, it smells amazing. This one here is the sweet orange basil, and then this one here is the cherry blossom rose. Oh my gosh. So I got these just to kind of wipe my bathroom down. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Well, that was my first bad news for today, but we're gonna keep going on. I also got Germex. And I got some hand spray sanitizer, and that's pretty much what I picked up today. Hopefully this lady shows up. Huh? I had to do what I do best when I'm not 100% happy. I went and shopped for house things. You know what you can do for me, Kat? Because I don't think I have anything. You know what, maybe I'll have Noah come to the closet in the hallway. I feel like the closet is big, but I'm not maximizing the space because they put that little 12 deep shelf in there, but it's like 20 inches, it's at least 24 inches deep.
So that's what I think you want to use.
Yeah, I would want him to do a shelving because then I can use the very top for all of this stuff because I don't have storage for none of this stuff.
Okay.
And then I'll probably take all the towels out of my room, put them in the hallway. I'd like to think I have control with it being in my room, but the boys don't care. They go in there and use it. They have a new towel every day.
Yeah.
Every day. You guys, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I'm sad. I ain't lying. I am sad. I try to explain to my clients that I'm going through the same roller coaster as them. So the plan for the pantry is ready, right? And so I'm about to make my deposit, and I was just like, how long do you think it's gonna be? He said, I'm gonna be honest with you, COVID has changed everything. I could have probably had it installed in 4 weeks. And I was like, okay, so how long? He was just like, it's anywhere from 8 to 12 to possibly 16 weeks for a pantry. And my thing is, my pantry looks a hot mess. I'm not even accustomed to it looking the way that it looks, but I don't want to get baskets and totes and all these things and have to figure out what I'm gonna do with it once I spend the money. That's like possibly $200. So every time I have an idea, it doesn't mean that it can be executed all the time. I was under the impression that he could do the fireplace because he offered in the past when he was doing the stairs. He was like, you should put a fireplace in your room. I said, I am. I said, I have to find it and then I'll have you come back to frame everything out. And then he told me he's never done a fireplace. Why did you offer it, sir? Listen, let me tell y'all something. I was like, ooh, the fireplace is gonna get installed. I'm gonna take me a hot shower, put some music on.
But I don't know if you can find someone. Are you gonna have to pay for it?
I'm gonna have to pay for it for sure. But I was thinking like $100.
I say budget maybe more like 3.
Yeah, if I have to call a professional company, I'm gonna pay about $300. Which I did not want to spend that. But considering I've been waiting like a month to get it done, I have no choice. I gotta spend the money, honey. But they keep asking me, when am I gonna get furniture? They don't understand that money don't grow on trees.
We gotta grow some in a few minutes.
Huh?
We gotta grow some in a few minutes so we can get.
I'm about to do. I need to Google a money tree, cause baby, this is not good. 1, 2. I have 3 bathrooms, right? Money don't grow on trees. I'm really hurt by this situation. I ain't finna lie. I'm truly hurt. And he said, are you mad at me? Sir, I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at the situation. He said, I'm gonna try to, and then he called another guy, and the guy was like, all my guys are busy on big projects. Sir, this is a big project. For the fireplace. They do framing, so they're building homes, and I'm over here like, hi, I know you're building homes and stuff, but could you put me a fireplace? They're like, girl, if you don't sit yourself down somewhere. Money don't grow on. I need to put this upstairs. Y'all, I'm so hurt. I'm hurt. You hear me? I'm all the hurt. All right, Kev. If you can, just take those and put it in the closet right there for me. And then I'm gonna take these Clorox wipes to go on. Though I am still not out of my little mood, I decided to go ahead and go to Home Goods to look for some decor pieces. Really didn't find anything, but I did find some really, really nice plates. They are just really pretty. I shared them on Instagram Live. Maybe when I get a chance and I do a haul, I'll share with you guys the plates, but they look really good. I'm actually excited because I did order my dining table. That's going to be coming in probably in the next 60 days or so, as long as there isn't a delay on anything. But I'm going to empty out the dishwasher, get everything cleared out, and then I'm going to remove all the stickers off the plates. That way I can put them up, and then once I'm done, I'm going to do a really quick wipe down. The kitchen really isn't dirty. There's not really a whole lot to do, but like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get it as clean as possible.
Feels like I can't hold on.
So now that I'm done cleaning the kitchen, I went upstairs, and before I even made it to my bedroom door, my friend had already called me like, let me see the fireplace. Let me see it. And I was like, there's no fireplace, girl. There was absolutely no fireplace. So we definitely got a little giggle on that. But I did find someone to come in. No way is going to be coming in to do the fireplace. So I am really, really excited. That's going to be happening over the next couple of days. But like I said, I'm just laying across the bed, you guys, not really doing anything, talking to my friend, and then I am going to get up. Although the morning didn't go as expected, my night was definitely a lot better. I ran a hot bath. I light my candle. I had my music on, a little bit of Sade, and I really enjoyed my night. So as non-exciting as today was, just wanted to go ahead and kind of share that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload, but that's pretty much it. This is the end of all the we go to the end. I am done. Today was one of them days. I don't even know what happened. I spent most of I went to the bank. I went to the store. I went to the PO box, and I've put together client plans. I have to ship them off tomorrow. But I'm about to go take a shower and go to bed. I know it's early, but I don't really know what to do with myself. It is 8 o'clock. This is very different for me because I'm used to be going to bed early, but this is what it is right now.